Hey friends! Welcome back to the Quizzer Cat. Let's unlock your hidden brain power. Try to guess all the hidden animals with our new 40 optical illusions. Only a true genius can do this. Subscribe, and let's start testing your skill with some easy levels. Look at this foggy mountainside. Now squint your eyes. What animal do you see? It's a panda. Loves to eat bamboo and nap. Now what about these lovely tulips? Squint a little and try to guess the hidden animal. It's a rabbit, known for its quick reflexes and long ears. Can you spot the animal hiding among these huge boulders? That's a lion, the king of the jungle. Speaking of lioness, they can be easily confused with puma. Can you figure out which one is the lioness? Yes, the lioness is on the right, and the puma is on the left. Let's move on. Guess the animal hiding on this dark street. Squint and take a closer look. It's a cat, known for their agility and night vision. What about this cozy little house? What animal can you spot here? That's a tiger, the largest species of the cat family. Now, try to find the tiger emoji among the cats. Got it. The tiger is a master of disguise. These beautiful rocks are hiding something. Can you figure it out? It's a kangaroo, famous for their powerful legs and hopping. Next, a little house in the winter woods. Squint to spot the hidden animal. It's a fox, known for its cunning and agility. Can you find the fox among the kangaroos? Yes, there's the fox. Take a look at this gorgeous lily. Close your eyes a bit. What do you see now? It's a frog. Amphibians that are great jumpers. By the way, guess which one's the frog? Correct. The frog is on the left, and the toad is on the right. What animal is hiding in this lovely garden? It's a hedgehog, known for its spiky defense mechanism. Among these hills, there's a big animal hiding. Can you guess who? It's a giraffe, the tallest land animal on Earth. Get ready for the medium levels. Look at these apples and squint. What animal do you see? It's a squirrel, famous for storing food in trees. Now your task is to find the odd emoji. Got it. This squirrel's tail is too small. Here's a mountain river. Can you guess the hidden animal here? It's a llama. Can you tell a llama from an alpaca? Find the llama. Yes, the llama is on the right and the alpaca is on the left. Moving on. What's the hidden animal in this image? It's a deer, known for its majestic antlers. Check out this beautiful oasis. Squint your eyes to find the hidden animal. It's a camel, perfectly adapted to desert life. Now try to find the camel among all these deer. Great! There's the camel. Bonus round. Can you guess the animal from these two emojis? Camel and lion. Sounds like a chameleon. What animal is hiding on this tropical island? It's a dolphin, known for its intelligence and playful nature. And what about these mountains with a rainbow? What animal do you see here? It's a monkey, clever and quick. A beautiful house by the lake. But who's hiding here? Squint to find out. It's a dog, man's best friend. There's something in these leaves. What do you think it is? It's a sloth, famous for being incredibly slow. What about this bed in the savannah? Can you guess the hidden animal? It's an elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. And now, what animal is hidden in this optical illusion? It's a parrot, vibrant colors and mimicking abilities. We've made it to the hard levels. Brace yourself for a real challenge. Look at this mountainside and try to guess the animal. It's a rhinoceros, known for its thick skin and large horn. What about this dark street? Who's hiding here? It's a bat, the only flying mammal. What cute animal is hiding in this cozy room? It's a hamster, known for storing food in their cheek pouches. Now, which one is the hamster? The hamster is on the left, and the guinea pig is on the right. This spooky house has a hidden animal. Can you guess what it is? It's an owl, known for its incredible night vision. And what about this tropical island? What animal do you see? It's a tortoise, known for its long lifespan. Guess the animal hiding among these glaciers? It's a whale, the largest animal in the world. Now find the dolphin hidden among the whales. Yes, there's the dolphin. What animal is hiding in this optical illusion? It's a zebra, black and white stripes. More glaciers. Can you guess the hidden animal here? It's a penguin, a flightless bird that swims. What animal is hiding in this mountain peak? It's a horse, strong and fast. Final level. Look closely at this cozy hut in the tropics and try to guess the hidden animal. Did you guess it? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for playing. Don't forget to subscribe for more optical illusion challenges and check out our next quiz. See you in the next video.